So hello everyone, welcome to the new day and new vlog. And you must have seen some of my videos which I usually upload my daily vlogs in Hindi. But today I thought that maybe day before yesterday or few days back I discussed one of the topic where I had to choose a seminar topic, or I had to decide because I got the notification from the software department regarding the seminar topics, and they said that you have to give us the list, or you have to select the topic, and then you have to mail us and tell us which topics will you opt for. So that I did a meeting with Muntasir, and you must have seen that the daily vlog. But today I thought that we'll discuss what is the procedure, how the procedure looks like, or in general you get an idea that if you want to choose a seminar topic, if you want to opt or you want to decide which topic you want for your upcoming semester, right? So how is the procedure looks like, and maybe it is some of the details which I will discuss will be quite specific to the students who are studying in RPTU or will be coming in RPTU in the upcoming winter semester, or who will be opting for a project or opting for a seminar. Project details I'll discuss in some other video, but who will be opting for a seminar topic, and they might get some information of what kind of mail we get, how we decide, what can we choose specific to software engineering, because this mail we got from the software engineering department. So maybe I will discuss some of the information telling you about how like the notification part I told you, but how is the procedure to choose a seminar topic, or how does it start from the very first step to the point where I mailed the authority, the software department, I mailed them. So starting from this topic, so first of all, if you are suppose if you are doing in software engineering your major, so there was a form. In that form we filled the details that okay, we want to opt for a seminar in the winter semester, that we filled in July. And after that we got a mail from the software engineering, maybe one of the PhD students from the department, that they sent us a mail in which they told us that you can go to a certain link. In that link we have listed down certain seminar topics, and now for RPTU here they told, because it is specific to our university, they told that you have suppose 5 or 6 topic options. Now which topic you want to choose, you have to tell us, or you have to decide in a decreasing order, or suppose in a priority level, right? So suppose they gave us 6 topics or 7 topics. Now they asked us in a mail that since the number of students who are applying for seminar in winter semester are comparatively more than the number of topics available, so two things: first, maybe not everyone can get their preferred choice of topic, right? And the second thing is you might have to work in a group. So two things they gave us. Like first thing that they mentioned in the mail was, suppose there are 6 topics. Now you tell us in the decreasing order or in the priority level which topic you want at first, which topic you want in the second place, which topic you want in the third place. So like that you have to mention like T6, T5, T4, T3, T2, T1, right? So T for topic. This is the first preference that you have to give us, because it might happen you might not get your first preference, but you might get your second preference. So this is the first list that they ask for. Second thing which they ask for is, if you know any student, suppose you are applying for a seminar in second semester, third semester, or whichever semester, and you know someone who is also in the same department, like I connected with Muntasir on that day, on the day on which we got the notification. We discussed, because our domain is same, our background is similar, and we thought that we might give our name. So they asked us that maybe 2 or 3 students, because here they mentioned name 1, name 2, name 3 as an example. So you give us the name of the students with whom you want to work in a seminar. So like in the mail, first we mentioned the topic names. Second thing what we mentioned was the names. Suppose my name, then Muntasir's name or your friend's name, and the student name. So you will also send this type of a mail to them, and your friend will also send this type of mail to them. And they said that they have some kind of algorithm, so they will try to match the students who know each other or who have applied for a similar topic. I'll come to that point. Now after that, is it the only option that you have to work in team? No, they specifically mentioned that you can also apply for topics with group work, right? Alone for topics with group work. So you can uh, see the students will be assigned in group, but mentioning the name is always not necessary. So you can simply mention your name and your decreasing order list, right? And now, so if you know some students, you mention their name. If you don't know, maybe they will assign you based on the similarity of the topics which the students apply for to match them and put in algorithm. One more thing which they asked is that regarding the grade. So they asked, do you want a grade for it or not? Usually for seminar we just get the credits, but if you want to see your grades, if you want to show your grades somewhere, so you can mention that I need a grade for seminar, yes, or I need a grade for seminar, no. So all in all, three things they asked us to mention, maybe discuss, and they gave us a deadline that this is the deadline, and before that you have to tell us or mail us what are your preferences. Now when in the very first link, when I clicked there, I went to the link in the software engineering seminar link. I will try to show the link, how that link looks like, because it is not any password protected, or it is a general link. Anyone can go to the SEDA page or software engineering page and see the topics for the coming semesters. So let's see the link first, and then we'll proceed this conversation. So as you can see, this is the page link. This is the link that we got in the mail, but this is a generalized link. I think you can go to the SEDA Informatic link and you can see the topics. Now here it's written software engineering seminar, and they have mentioned their fields, topics from the field of software and system engineering in particular. So these are the topics. Here you can see the news and announcements. And now the timeline is not mentioned yet, but because some of the topics are yet to come. But here when you go down, you can see the professor is Professor Ligesmeyer, suppose for software, and here you can see the topics. Now these are T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, C masters. These are some of the bachelor masters which topics are in both, and they have mentioned the person name as well, like how many persons can participate, 1 to 2, right? And T3, T4, T5, T6, and this will be in English. So they have mentioned these things. So if you go on these topics, you can see their details. And like this, they have mentioned some topics, and see here topic application. To apply for seminar topics, you have to mention like this in a decreasing order, like in a priority level. And they have mentioned this thing also, that if group work is possible, one or more of your selected topics, you already know any fellow student, so you can give your name like this, name 1, name 2. Because if you go upwards, here it's written like for 1 or 2 persons can apply for these master topics. Suppose T3 to T6 are only in master, for master students, and T1, T2, either bachelor or master students both can apply for this seminar topics. And then they asked us like this, you tell us whether you want a grade or no. So if you don't want a grade, you simply write grade no, and then you can visit this page and you can see the topic and topic details as well. If I try to open this, suppose any topic, I open this T5. So see, here you can see the seminar topic description, who will be your supervisor, right? What will be the description, what will be the literature work for this topic. So similarly you can see for other topics as well. So I hope seeing the website you get an idea how you can decide the priority for the topics, how you can select a particular topic, how you can select your particular team member if you know any person. And like this you can see the topic names, whether they are in English or not. Like it was mentioned, it is in English. And how many persons are allowed in a group work, 1 to 2 person. And then if you know someone, you can mention his or her name. If you don't know them, then you can apply individually, or maybe they will match you according to the topic similarity. So like this is how the procedure looks like for seminar topic selection, if I would say like that. Because till now we have selected and we have mailed our priorities. It's not like that we got the seminar topics, because in mail they mentioned that we will try to include as many students as possible. Because previously when we filled a form in July, like, so it was like first come first serve. So they selected like if the students in the priority, like who applied first for a given form. So if you apply early, maybe your roll number will be up, and like that they will give the priority. So as early as possible you apply, it will be good, I believe. And also because our roll number in that mail was according to this only, like the person who has maybe filled the form first, his name was little bit up, I believe that. And I feel you get a little bit idea how this process looks like. And this is the procedure in RPTU Kaiserslautern, which is a German public university. So I think you might get a general overview as well, how in a German public university the seminar topic selection procedure looks like. Maybe it can vary from university, from university to university, but for RPTU, which is also a German public university, this is the procedure. And if I summarize, then for the seminar selection or options, you get seminar selection procedure is as follows: that first you have to fill a form, then from the selected number of roll numbers they send a mail and they mention a link, the detail which you have seen in this website which I showed you below the topics, that these are the instructions, like you can apply for group, you can mention your grade. Some of these details were also mentioned in the mail as well. So you get a mail, in mail you get this link. Now you can go to this link, you can read the description of each of the topics. Suppose there are 6 topics. After that you have to tell the topic priority in the decreasing order. You have to tell multiple topics. Why? So that it's not necessary that the person who has applied for this topic, he'll get that particular topic or not, because there are more students than the number of topics. After that, if you know someone, you can apply with him or her depending on the number of persons which are allowed in that particular topic. So for example, if the maximum number of persons are 2, so then you can mention another person name as well. Like that I discussed with Muntasir as well. So but it depends what kind of topics we mention. But if you are applying with a person, the same you can mention the same topic order and the name format like that, so that your topic order also kind of matches. But it depends. This is just the topic opting procedure or topic selection procedure which students can send to the department, to this chair of software engineering, to the software engineering department. And after that you mention the name, and you also mention this thing, that whether you want a grade or not, because generally you get a credit for the seminars. But if you want a grade, like if you want to show it someone, if you want some use of the grade, then you can mention them that okay, while evaluating you can give me the grade as well. So like that, the 3 things we mentioned, like this is the topic list, this with this person I want to do the project work or seminar work. Project work will also come, and whether I want a grade or not. And after that you mail them, and they said that maybe after the deadline we'll tell you or they will notify us what are the deadlines, because you've seen like when will the kickoff meeting will start, or if you get a seminar topic or not, which topic you got, with which person you got. You can tell them your priorities. It's not I'm not sure, because still now I haven't got any notification, so I can't say that whatever you mention only that thing you will get. But you can tell your priority, that this is my priority of the topics or the person. I think it might change, but it depends. We'll talk about it when we'll get some other notification, or when the seminar topic will be assigned to us. Then I can tell how the assignment took place. But till now it's the seminar selection procedure, which is seminar opting procedure for students, which they can send from their side. So this was the procedure, and I hope you get an idea how in a German public university, it might vary from university to university, but in one of the university how the procedure looks like. And we have sent the mail, and let's see when we get the notification, I'll tell in the blog. And that's it for this video. I hope you get some information, and I thought I'll make this video in English because I discussed that okay in one of the daily vlogs that about that I have to decide the topic. But in English I thought, because some of the students who are not speaking, who will be selecting a topic, maybe seminar for RPTU, or who will be coming or who are already there and will be selecting the topic and are not speaking Hindi, maybe they also get some idea how this procedure looks like. And this is it. And I think I'll end this vlog now, and I hope you get some information. So rest you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't take much time. See you in new day, new vlog. New day, new vlog. Till then, ciao, ciao, bye, bye, namaste, chalo.